Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want.
In today's video, I'm going to be using this skein of yarn. This is kind of like a lemon green color. This is milk cotton yarn. I got this from AliExpress and I believe it's a weight 3 because it's so thin. You're also going to need some rubber bands or like hair ties. I got the hair ties from Shein and I didn't know that they were gonna run this small, but I'm just gonna work with them because they stretch like pretty nicely and I'm not looking for like a crazy stretch, so this is fine for me. But you can go bigger, you can go even smaller if you want, but I don't think you want to go smaller than that. But yeah, it totally depends on your preference. I'm also going to be using a 5mm crochet hook and a pair of scissors. To start this project, I'm going to get one of my hair ties and I'm going to get my yarn. I'm going to place my hook in between the hair tie and wrap the yarn around my hook. And I'm just going to pull that yarn through the hair tie. And then I'm going to chain 1. So this is going to make sure that the yarn is like fully secured on the hair tie. Moving on, I'm going to place single crochets, as much single crochets as we can get right into this hair tie. So you just want to lather or pack your hair tie with as much single crochets as you can. So just showing for reference, you may think you have like so much single crochets on here, but I just wanted to just show you that you can also like pull those single crochets like to the side, and like there's much more space. So you just want to keep packing these because this is how you're gonna get that scrunch effect. So yeah, just keep pushing those to the side and then you're gonna have more space, and just keep filling those with single crochets, because so we don't want to see any hair tie peeking through like that. Want to make sure all the hair tie is closed off. I think I've packed enough single crochets that can fit onto this hair tie, so I'm just going to go ahead and look for that first single crochet that I made and just slip stitch right there. So for this next row, you're going to chain 2 and you're going to place 3 double crochets into every single crochet stitch. So inside that same stitch where we chain 2, or where we made the slip stitch rather, we're going to place 3 double crochets in there. So 1, 2, and then 3. And you're going to repeat this all the way until you get to the last stitch of single crochets. So into the next, you're going to place 3 double crochets. Just keep doing this until you get to that last stitch. Row 1 is all done. As you can see, there's that ruffle scrunch texture that it has, and that is because we increased by placing 3 double crochets into each stitch. You could actually stop here if you want. Like, this looks perfect to me, but I think I'm gonna just gonna go one more row, and I'm just gonna add my 3 double crochet stitches into the next row. So to start the next row, I'm just going to slip stitch into that first double crochet stitch, just so we can close off this first row. And then for the next row, I'm going to chain 2, and I'll just basically repeat the exact same thing that I did for row number 1. So just insert 3 double crochets into each double crochet stitch, and I'm just doing this just so we can get like a more ruffle effect, because I like the way the ruffles look. Okay, so I'm gonna do this and I'll meet you guys when I'm done. Alright guys, I'm done, and I'm just going to make a slip stitch into that first double crochet just so I can close that off. I'll chain 2 and then cut my yarn off, and I'm just going to sew in my loose ends. This is the end product of the crochet scrunchie, and we're at the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and also turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every single time I upload a new video. If you make a scrunchie using this tutorial, don't hesitate to tag me. If you have any questions as well, make sure you ask them in the comment section, or you can also DM me on my Instagram. The link to the yarn and my Instagram and all my socials will be down in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.